everybody, it's Ivy, and you guys already know, due to my lack of hair, today we're gonna be doing a hair video. This is a shake and go wig from HerGivenHair. Y'all see it, like real time, y'all, no edits. Look how quick that was. So natural. Look at those curls. I love it. It's so pretty. If you guys are interested in seeing how I styled and defined this unit, I'm gonna get into all the specs about it. We're gonna go ahead and get our unit unboxed. So this is what it looks like on the inside. And your wig comes in a package like this. So this is the Shake and Go full unit. This is in 18 inches. I have the texture 3B, 3C. The inside of the wig only comes with lace right here for a natural look, but this is a wig that doesn't feature lace around the hairline, so it's gonna be really quick and easy to install. This is the inside of the cap. It comes with a drawstring, adjustable band. So I just put my wig hooks right here. I think that's gonna give me the most secure fit. So let's go ahead and put this unit on. So this is how it looks in the top. So of course we have to co-wash and define these curls. I'm gonna go ahead and wet my unit, and then we're gonna come right back. So I just wet my hair down. It's literally dripping wet. Here's the texture. You wanna take a large paddle brush and just go through the hair. You wanna make sure you get out all of the kinks. Make sure your hair is nice and smooth. And that's also gonna help define everything. This is why you need to go ahead and wet your hair down completely. Just spraying it with a spray bottle probably won't suffice. You really need to wet the hair down completely if you want the most defined curls. I'm gonna take a little bit of my Suave Moroccan Argan Oil conditioner, and we're just gonna rake that through the hair. Because I want my hair super defined, I'm gonna use some styling products. I'm gonna use the Garnier Fructis Curl Sculpt Conditioning Cream Gel. It makes your curls super defined without being crunchy. I'm just gonna rake this through my hair. Our hair is already looking way more defined. And we're just gonna put a little in our bangs. I'm gonna put some gel at the top as well, just to make sure everything stays smooth and we don't get, like, you know, frizzies. Because it can happen at the top of the hair too. Now we're gonna go in with our Garnier Fructis Curl Construct Cream Creation Mousse. Okay, I'm not gonna use a whole lot of this, just about that much each section. And I really like mousse because it like locks in the other products. I like how the unit comes with pre-cut bangs. In the bangs, I'm gonna go in and start doing my finger coils. I definitely like to finger coil the bang just so it just has that really sleek and polished look. Okay, and finger coiling is easy. You literally just take the hair and twist like so. And we are done finger coiling the bangs, okay? Now we're gonna move to the hair. I really like using my Bounce Curl Defining Brush. I got this from Amazon. Can you guys see that? There you go, I think you can see it. This is basically like a finger coil brush. You guys, this brush does all the work for you. All you have to do is take a small section and literally roll it through that brush slowly, and you're gonna have the like most perfect finger coils. Look at that. Do y'all see that? Oh. And you just want to like repeat this all over your unit. Look how perfect that is. So the smaller the sections you use, the more defined everything will look. So you guys can clearly see the difference from this side that's not defined and this side that is defined. And now we're gonna define this side. So make sure you have all your bangs out and properly defined. Okay, so you just want to complete defining those curls. And like I said, this brush makes everything super easy. And you can go through and still do extra coils. Like if you want that extra coily look. So this is how our hair is looking defined. You can see the finger coils. It looks so gorgeous. This hair just looks very natural. I'm gonna go ahead and define it using my diffuser. So my diffuser, I've had this thing for years. I got it from Sally's, I swear by it. You wanna start by diffusing the top so the hair can stay stretched, okay? Go under the hair like this and diffuse. Okay guys, so our hair is dry and you can see it's super defined, super pretty. Now you can leave your hair exactly like this. I'm gonna shake mine just a little bit so it can fluff out a little bit more. Honestly, y'all, I didn't think I would like love it on myself as much as I do. Like, this is so cute. I love that it's a put on and go unit. Defining the curls were easy. Like, it's not hard at all. The curls are so shiny and defined. I just love it. This one is definitely going in my stash. This wig is very much a protective style. I don't have any tension. Y'all, the wig is secure. It literally fits like a glove. If you guys are interested in this hair, all the details will be below. Again, this unit is from HerGivenHair, and this is 18 inches, okay? You do have a lace parting up here. Now, I did not bleach the knots. I just put a little concealer in it. But if you bleach the knots, it's gonna look even better. I don't know, y'all. I feel so pretty in this hair, and I think it makes me look youthful. I look young. So thanks so much for watching another one of my videos. All details about this hair, again, will be in the description bar below. Okay, you guys, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.